Alright, welcome to the first official Discord cook-off on this channel. The concept is very simple. There will be a theme for what we will be making today. We will have exactly 1 hour and 30 minutes to complete our dish based off that theme. After that, the rest of our friends who are not cooking will judge. Creativity stands the highest points because it holds 50 marks. 25% will go for plating and appearance. So whether your dish is pretty or ugly lah. And the final 25% is the overall success of your dish. If you can pull off every single element you want to pull off and everything is on your plate, that is basically a free set of 25 marks for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex. I like to cook for fun, and if you've been on Shaun's channel for a while, I was on the Chinese New Year episode special where we made wontons in blind cooking, so check that out.
Hello guys, it's my first time here. I'm DJs. I've been cooking for a while in this channel, even though I'm not a real cook. Today is gonna be something new, something special. So yeah, I hope you guys are ready for that.
Boo, get out.
How can a judge say that, man?
Just for context, that was Vance. You guys know him. I've created separate channels for separate sections of this competition. Right now, we are in this very serious briefing 2 p.m. Voice channel. The cooks have the choice to go to the cooking channel, but since we're cooking and things can get pretty messy and not all of us have a separate device, it's not compulsory to go there. Now, once we are done cooking, we have to go to the waiting room. Just keep in mind, if you are not done cooking, do not go to the waiting room just yet. And once the 3 of us are there, we will move to the judging session. If any of us are not at the waiting room at 4 p.m, 10 marks will be deducted. I almost said reducted. The theme we've decided on is breakfast. Are you guys ready? If you're ready, we can turn off our cans and I will see all of you on the other side. Ciao.
So today I'm going to be making Korean kimchi pancakes with Tamagoyaki, which is a sweet egg roll, and I'm going to top it off with some good old bacon.
Okay, yeah, so welcome to my part of the cooking. We're gonna do dosa.
I'm gonna make pancakes, but I'm not using a pan. I'll be using this sandwich toaster thingy.
These are all the ingredients I'll be using today. So I'll need like kimchi and spring onion. So I'm using pancake mix, but you can usually use all-purpose flour. I quite like this brand because I've tried other things from them before and their frying material is pretty good. So then I'm gonna have the bacon here, and I have some eggs to make the tamagoyaki, some sugar to make it sweet, and salt for seasoning, and I can't forget my Korean red pepper flakes to make everything spicy. And I even have a cute square pan to roll my eggs in. Isn't that so cute? I also will be using fresh kimchi. I got it from a Korean restaurant in Taipan called Daejungum. The owner is a really nice couple from Korea, and she makes all of these kimchi by herself. So this 1 kilogram of fresh kimchi that I bought yesterday, and I prefer this over like store-bought kimchi, mainly because like this one doesn't go bad as quickly as store-bought ones. And it tastes so much better. Like seriously, this one tastes like salty, sweet, and has that really good kimchi flavor.
So these are the ingredients. The main one, dosa mix, okay, with the flour and everything. And then we have oil, we have things and all. It's hard to explain. It's more like a process.
I'm gonna make a very simple pancake batter that is flour, milk, eggs, baking powder, and maybe a little bit of sugar. I'm thinking that the batter should be on the thicker side so it doesn't leak out and it's much more manageable.
I've just washed my spring onion. I have the long bits of the green part as well as some parts of the white parts. I feel like for spring onion, the white parts are super flavorful, so that's why you want to put it in your pancake itself. So these dark green parts are going to be used for garnish later. What I like to do with my kimchi is I like to cut them up with the kitchen scissors because it just makes everything so much easier.
First off, we're gonna put this into this. Next, we're gonna fill this up with water. I think that's enough. Now we're gonna stir this up. This is very satisfying. Yes.
So all of the dry ingredients are in. Flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, and a little bit of cinnamon for taste. I'm gonna separate the egg whites and the egg yolks. Hopefully it goes well. And I'm going to whisk the egg whites to incorporate some air in.
We're gonna cut onions. It's not for cooking, actually, but I'll let you know how that works. Look like a serial killer, dude. You'll feel like you're gonna cry. I feel like I'm gonna cry. That's all.
So I just finished preparing my kimchi batter. I need to go get some mirin and I'll be right back.
Would you look at that? People usually do this standing up, but I'm super lazy. I'm a very lazy person, so I'm gonna do this sitting down. This oil, in Tamil it's called nalanai, but I don't know what do they call that in English though. This is actually multi-usable. Like people used to scold you.
I almost had a mini heart attack because the egg yolk almost broke, but everything's okay. Everything's going according to plan so far.
I got my mirin! Right now I'm currently beating my eggs as you would. I have a splash of soy sauce and mirin.
Remember this? Now I'll show you like what's the purpose of this. Okay, dip it nice and easy. Okay, alright. Now let that heat up a bit.
So the egg whites look done. They already have some stiff peaks over there, so I would call that done. Hopefully it's okay. So right now I am going to incorporate the wet ingredients, which are the eggs and the milk, into the dry ingredients.
Here is the cook cam. Maybe we could say hi. So my first pancake is down. It's looking a little wonky, but you know, she's beautiful either ways. I'm planning to make like a stack of small 3 ones. Look at that. This is what you get when you add a good amount of oil. So I fried up 4 kimchi pancakes. I'm gonna share them with my sister later. There's still some bit left over batter, which I'll probably cook tonight because we're running a little short on time. So now I'm going to make my tamagoyaki.
The pancake batter is done. Hopefully it tastes good. I've incorporated some banana and blueberries in it. Fingers crossed.
So I have my tamagoyaki pan just like warming up. My other pan that is gonna be for the bacon later. And guys, check out this angle. I feel like a professional chef with this angle, you know? Our first little roll was complete. I'm really happy about how it turned out.
Look at that. Actually, it looks really good. It's actually coming up better than I expected. I expected way worse. If we have time, right? Why don't we do egg toss? Should I? Should I? Think I'm gonna. Let's try.
First batch of pancakes are cooking, and I dropped a little bit of batter on the floor. That's how nervous I am.
A little bit of patience and voila! Look! It looks like the sushi restaurant is, I'm not gonna lie. Last but definitely not least, we can't forget bacon. So I'm just gonna use really just regular bacon.
It's either gonna be super bad or super good. I'm gonna put pepper on it so it won't taste weird. Now we're gonna turn this upside down.
Okay, let's take a look and see how they are. Whoa, this part looks cooked, but this part doesn't look cooked.
It's time to play! It's like a little skillet, look at it. I have this really cute avocado plate. Like, look at it. It's not even like avocado related.
I can't believe this, but the egg toaster came out quite good. If you ask me, it's presentable. It's not that presentable, but it looks good. Since we've mastered egg toaster, why don't we do ghee? It's actually our last toaster, so we'll see how it goes.
It is 3:15 right now. My toaster pancakes are done. They are cooling over here on the wire rack. It is time to plate. Let me get the powdered sugar. These are my cinnamon, blueberry and banana toaster pancakes.
I'm gonna slide it onto my dish. Put it right on top. Look at that. So we have tamagoyaki and bacon and pancakes.
Oh, it looks good. All my toasters are complete. My main mission was to do like toasters, but I went and did egg toaster, and then I went and did ghee toaster. Bro, wait, it's actually 3:30 right now. I'm gonna join the Discord. Toaster, you can do anything out of toaster, bro.
In 3, 2, 1, let's turn on our cameras, okay? So in 3, 2, 1, let's turn on.
I think yes.
Am I lagging?
Alexis one though.
Put up higher, man.
I did mini toaster. It's called mini toasters. Okay, so it's small and nice. It's toaster. It's crispy. It used to be crispy. Now it's cold. I did something that I've never done before. I did egg toaster. This is with the egg. I went another step ahead and then I did ghee toss. It came out like really crispy and stuff. It's better than.
Oh, it looks like a PNG image. ASMR. Okay,
Okay,
you say
put nearer
crispy,
the
there's
mic.
no crispy.
Because it's cold, the dust came in very red.
I mean, pancake, bacon, and eggs, but it's like Korean version. So this is kimchi pancake, regular bacon, and this is tamagoyaki. It's not really Korean, but you know, sweet egg.
Oh my god.
We're gonna
Yo.
pick up the
Good,
spring
man.
onion.
It looks good, man.
Alright,
Oh, yo.
alright.
Hey,
Thanks, Alex.
Should I show my thoughts?
Nah, you off this. You off.
your time, you have lost your time, Mike.
Okay, I've made, you know the triangular bread toaster?
Mm-hmm.
So I put the pancake batter inside instead of bread, and inside is blueberries and banana, and on top is powdered sugar.
Clean your plate next time. Shaun.
Very nice presentation. Yeah.
Let's wait and see for the results. We will be back in 3 minutes.
So the third place,
yeah, it's okay.
TJ's Gopalakrishnan.
Anyone? Can I
Hey,
write
what do you
one?
mean unfair? Okay, listen here, you little shit. So I gave you 92, Kun gave you 80, Theo gave you 78.
Theo!
You expected the worst from me and I gave you the best. The first place goes to Alex.
Yeah!
Hey.
Oh!
Kick out TJ's please right now.
A round of applause for Alex for winning this first and official Discord cook-off of the channel. Hopefully there will be more. At the end of the day, all of us had fun, and that is the most important thing. We had fun and we learned something in the kitchen. Leave a like, subscribe, share, show us your support if you want to see us do this again.
Just if you're not happy with your marks, 1v1 me next time.
What the?
Maybe Vance cooks and TJ's will be the judge, you know? So, thanks for watching. Everyone over here, all my friends, thank you so much for, you know, participating in this. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully we'll do a second one soon, alright? Get vaccinated and stay safe. See you in the next one, alright? Take care, guys.